Hello, I'm Annie Sloan and I want to introduce you to my lacquers. They are amazing. I've got one which is matte and one which is gloss. I'm going to put the gloss aside for now and I'm going to show you the matte one. First of all, give it a good shake, upside down, get it all round. There's lots of stuff in there, needs to all be integrated. We'll open it up and then I will also give it a good stir. It's most important that you get everything, see there's some build up at the bottom there. It's very important that you get it all mixed in. So spend some time mixing. So now ready to varnish or lacquer. So a lot of people get confused between the two words lacquer and varnish. This is a very strong varnish. It's not a polyurethane, it's a water-based varnish. So you wash your brushes in water. It's incredibly strong and it covers very well. I'm going to use this brush, a flat brush, to apply, and I'll get my glasses to be able to see what I'm doing. Always helps, and off I go. Again, spread it out. Don't apply too much to begin with and then keep spreading it out. You can see how you're covering it. So I'm going to put this on the top part of this, and then on the bottom part I'm going to show you how to do the difference with the gloss one. Making certain I've finished everywhere. Doing a sort of bit of a feathering at the end. So not just like that, but like that at the end. This is very, very good for something where you want to do a mid-century finish and you want it to be not too shiny. And you need it to be hard wearing. This is the gloss finish. Again, stir it well to make certain that there's none of the big, strong, heavy stuff at the bottom. It's all mixed in. That one's done beautifully. And gloss is amazing for anything where, again, mid-century modern, where you might want a very glossy look. It's also a really good surface, first surface, for something where you want it to be very strong. Any gloss is stronger than matte. So for a tabletop, or a floor, you might apply the gloss varnish first. So I'm going to just put it on same way as I did with the matte varnish. One thing you will know that when you put the matte varnish or any of the varnishes on, especially onto chalk, the chalk is going to absorb it. So you can't overbrush it, you can't keep at it. So make certain you do it in a couple and get it done relatively quickly. So then it will be dry and you're not overworking it. When that dries, it's going to be glossy. If you wanted it to be a surface like a floor or a tabletop, leave it to dry and then put a coat of the matte on it if you want it to be matte. Otherwise, leave it as gloss, and you could even do two coats if it was a tabletop or maybe a kitchen cupboard or a floor. So after applying your lacquer, leave it for at least 24 hours to really harden and get strong. To maintain it, don't use harsh chemicals, just soaps and waters, and then you'll be absolutely fine and it'll be an amazing finish. Subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks, tutorials, and lots of inspiration. Happy painting!